guys, good morning. Today is May 11 and it's Sunday and it's Mother's Day today and it's my Somi's birthday, my daughter's birthday. Come here, come here, come to mommy. Come. She's shy, you guys. Nagawas na ko and I just woke up. I woke up around 9 and I don't know what time na. But nagawas na ko. My mom's cooking over there and I'm gonna go to my aunt's house. So here's my aunt na nagluto og talo ay tortang talong. Magunsa ka te? Maglumpia. What are you guys having? Lumpia and bamiho.
Pagpalit sa kutong biyo ay sako na to sa bukusala ba ba?
Mabalik pa ako cake. Ninyo.
Ba? Problema na nanin mo. Basta sa na mo. Ay ko pala ba?
Nga, mas mahal ang Nestle cream te. Bitaw ka?
Alis ka, ikaw ba na?
Ako sa ito yung gipang park card. We're going to Toledo with my pretty driver and my brother. Oh God. Here sa sakyanan kay nanggawas akong cousin manghod kay na may flowers for our mother. Kaya I'm here lang and magpalit mig cake tapos niya tuming merkado kay gisugo sa day para sa mga lutuon nun kay maghimo sa siguro mi today o buko salad yan. Nagpark kami here and nasa dito nagpalit og flowers. Daghan kayo maligya flowers diha. Yeah, they're coming. Oh, dali na kapalit Dali ako din nakapalit goods.
Nilove me mo?
Oh.
Okay ka. Nilove ka ni.
Asa daw? Nice. Pila na?
350.
I think this will be the end of the video. And mo to siya ang nakita ko sa Mother's Day. Nag-celebrate me with my family and friends. We just had a little salo-salo and then party outside the house. Thank you guys for watching this video all throughout. See you guys soon on my next video. Yeah, so anyways, mao ni siya akong outfit for today. This is simple, a trouser and a sandal. Sleeveless one. Yeah. So, mao na to siya guys. See you again next on my video. Bye-bye! Sleepy na. Pero wala pa min ako manag-inom. Pero yeah. See you guys again on my next video. Bye-bye!